Task 2. Mr. Bolton has asked you to conduct a survey about students' role models. You are now asking Mr. Bolton about the survey. You now have 30 seconds to study the task. At the end of the task, you will have 1 minute to tidy up your answers.
Mr. Bolton, I've designed a questionnaire for the survey. I wonder if it is good enough. Would you mind taking a look at it?
All right, let me see what you've got. Linda, your questionnaire is too simple. There are not enough questions.
I know. That's the problem I have. I don't know what else to ask.
OK, before we take a look at your questions and decide what else to add, I want you to look at the first part of your questionnaire. I think you should put the aims of the survey under the title.
The aims of the survey?
Yes, Linda. What do you want to find out from this survey?
Oh, I want to find out who students' role models are and why they admire them.
Then add these 2 points under the title.
All right. Aims of the survey. To find out who students' role models are and why they admire them.
Now, let's take a look at the questions. You can ask more questions about students' role models. You asked 2 important questions in question 1 and question 2. Perhaps you can ask the interviewee why he or she likes his or her role model, and what his or her role model has achieved. Questions like those are good questions to ask in this survey.
That's right, Mr. Bolton. How come I didn't think of these questions? So question 3 will be, why do you like your role model? And question 4 will be, what has your role model achieved?
Linda, don't forget the question mark after each question.
Oh yes, the question mark. I won't forget that.
And make sure that you number your questions.
Yes, Mr. Bolton.
Another question that you may ask is, what difficulty has your role model experienced?
OK, what difficulty has your role model experienced? That's a good question.
Now, under Part A, Personal Details, you don't need to know the phone number of the interviewee, so delete that. Instead, you may want to ask the interviewee for his or her email address, in case you want to send the results of the survey to him or her.
Let me just correct that. Replace phone number with email address.
Cancel the home address too. You don't need this piece of information from the interviewee.
All right, I've just crossed it out.
I guess that's about it. Now your questionnaire looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Thanks a lot, Mr. Bolton.
That is the end of Task 2. You now have 1 minute to tidy up your answers.